Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, friends and traders around the world. My name is Jeff Goodwin, Forex trading for beginners. And for those people who know me, you know I train and trade it with the Ninja system. Today I'm going to show you a little bit of information about, I was asked to do a call yesterday on one of our traders session. So David Kahn was live and he asked me to step in to show him my thoughts on the V70. Now, during that session, I actually introduced the V70 Plus session. So just watch out. I'll show you right now. So for the people that have been following me, ladies and gentlemen, the V70 is based on using volume. This is the volume profile, where wherever we are, we'll go back to the previous day, go back in time to tell the price for the future. Now, it doesn't always work when it's a trending market. And this is gold, and gold has been going up now for a week or so, steady. As you can see there, each one of these represents a day. Now, I'm in Thailand, and this is today. It was yesterday, so if we're looking at yesterday's charts, see where it went, we have to go back to the previous day. So I'm going to analyze this. I've got our famous matrix on. We have, it tells us the direction. Now, we'll look at the settings here just now. But that there, that said to me, this is the price of the line I want price to go to this day here. If we look at price actually was quite a distance. The price was significantly, we went down to 1827.38, and that was way up here, 1833. So had a significant journey to make indeed. But it started off the day, came towards it, and then actually pushed away higher. Yep. Now, during the live I was on, it came down and it hit this area here, and I was asked, what do I think? Now, at that point in time, ladies and gentlemen, price was at the value area high. Why is it the value area high? Because the value area for this trade setup is 70% is in this area. That's the value area high. And I have to double check about the tide here, but that's the value area low just there the previous day. So it bounced off it during the session, and I said to David and others watching, it is a long way to go to the target, especially as it started going back up on live on the session. And I said, well, I introduced the V70 Plus using like a stepper approach and using volume. These are volume shadows. I've been calling it a money line and money line shadow, just as a difference between the V70, but this is more advanced than just a simple 3 lines. So this might be for more the advanced people. So looking upon that, ladies and gentlemen, it came down, bounced off that, and went back up. It made an attempt at it again later on in the day. You can see there, 12:37 UK time, and again it rejected. Now something happens between in the UK 1:30, sometimes as late as 2:30, when the markets change from the European into New York. So for this, I'm actually going to drop down to the 1 minute because I was doing a live. So I showed this off in the David session, and then I was doing a live. So I'm in Thailand. I'm 7 hours in the UK, and I was doing live my evening. And we're down to the 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen, because I was actually showing off a strategy using let me go back to the 5 minute just to show you this for a minute. Again, we'll come back. So what we had to do, we had to come down and hit that target there. Now this was the value area low, and this was the price where we expected to come down and hit that area and then bounce back up. And as you see, that is exactly as it did to the pip. I want to show you this on the 1 minute time frame. This is the V70 plus. We're up until now we've been calling money line or money line shadow. We'll be bringing these volume into it. So I'm drawing the lines here. Of course, in the 1 minute, there we go. We see the previous day just there. Now, on the 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen, you won't believe this. Back to these later on. Price come down. It rejected it at this point here. And then using our matrix, you notice what happened at this time. Started pushing down just after 1 o'clock. Yeah, up there. You see we've got bearish divergence. We have bearish divergence on the 1 minute time frame, ladies and gentlemen. So what this is, ahead of time, is telling the future. Well, I actually say it's a rumor until it happens. It's saying we believe price will go down. Did price come down? It did come down. Then we had a bullish divergence, and it rejected off that line. And in a matter of just a couple of minutes, boom, right down to the broke through our target, broke through a value area low, and I was to put a line on there, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to put that left if I can. Allows me to put that left. Maybe it doesn't. Okay, low there. I'll drag that along. I'll do a slightly different one. Horizontal line. That allows me to take that left. There. We go back to the 5 minute. This one is green. Look at that. Can't make this look up, ladies and gentlemen. What I was saying was, price could come down, reject off that, or bouncing back up. And did it bounce up? It bounced up. Look at the MACD at the bottom. Bounced up more than a little bit. It bounced up. Let me count the number of pips. At one point, it bounced up 200 pips. That's the power of the money line shadow, or the V70 plus, whatever what I call it. So if you know anybody wants to learn to trade like Jeff, come here. This is a bit more advanced section. If anybody wants to come and learn inside our Ninja system, call out. This is real. This is live. Seen it here. This is the day after I called it out. Have a great day, ladies and gentlemen. Whatever you're doing, have a great day trading, and I'll see you at the top. Bye for now.